Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to make a video call using FaceTime on your iPhone. Start by opening the FaceTime app from your home screen. You'll see your recent contacts and previous calls. Tap any contact if you want to call them again. To start a new call, tap the New FaceTime button. Then tap the plus icon to select a number you've saved, or enter the name, email, or phone number of the person you want to call. You can add more than one contact to make a group call. Once you've selected your contact, tap the FaceTime button to start the video call. Your iPhone will connect, and you'll see yourself on the screen along with the person you're calling. During the call, you can switch between front and back cameras. Mute your microphone. When you're finished, simply tap the end button to hang up. And that's it. You can now easily make video calls and stay connected with friends and family using FaceTime on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.